a sensory thing.
But it's kind of pretty. And these women have expensive perfume on.
It's showtime.
You can't feel what's going on. It's really, really messed up.
That dog likes bikes.
Hell yeah. I think that is, I know it's like the other side of this town. There are 2 points. One over there and the one we just took. Whoa. Bloody hell.
Whoa, barbed wire. I guess they're exploring now. So there's like the super posh area down in the town, and then like the normal houses at the top.
Bloody hell.
Do, 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 do.
King's Bridge is straight ahead. Bloody hell. Yep. Straight ahead. Good, 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 good.
Ground to a halt. Yeah, Luke, I'm sorry, I'm not here to have a go at you. Yeah, I just say it wrong. I'm just not here to have a go at you. But, you know, just, I don't know. I don't know, I'm just sorry.
I know, you're in pain, you don't have the energy to deal with stupid stuff happening around you.
It wasn't stupid, it was just, you know, a couple of modifications that were required. I guess you feel more comfortable with your engine running.
Yeah, I do.
Oh shit. Fucking hell. Didn't enjoy that. Stones in the road.
Stonies.
Yeah. They've probably been up and run down this road. Eggs for sale? Hundreds of times. Sun in my eyes. Ah. Thank you for reminding me how shit I am on the right-handers. I think it's right-handers I'm shit at. Is it right-handers or left-handers? No, I'm not sure which ones I'm worse at. Clearly that wasn't too bad, so I must be good at both!
Relax. Chillax.
We'll find out.
Yay.
Oh, it's right in the middle, right in the centre. There we go. It's actually right back here. I don't want it! I don't want it! Get it off! Get it off me! Ah! 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 Petrol station. We get to choose to go left or right. Kingsbridge is left. Totnes is right. We go Totnes.
Yeah, we should be okay for fuel, shouldn't we?
I think this was... Yeah. I think we're good. Something happened at this petrol station here. Can't remember what.
These roads are twisty, yeah. It's like we've entered the farmlands of Devon, haven't we? That's what it feels like. Wow, look at that.
Says it's open all day, but nobody's there.
We've gone away from the civilization to the farmers with shotguns, yeah? Get up, my lad! This is my lad! Come out and fuel! I'll shoot you with my shotgun if you don't get out! And I bet you're worth millions, you bastard. For a church. That's old. And loads of graves! Open all day, what does that mean?
Yeah, open graves all day. Quite a drop. Okay, I'm hard left whenever you're ready. You're always overtaking me, you.
I'm blind. Some random town. Nowhere. Alphington. It's got a church in the middle of it.
It does indeed. Have a church. Are the graves open all day?
Ancient. Hey?
Are the graves open all day, like in that last town?
Didn't see a sign. Oh, I need to take a break. Even I'm feeling it.
Yeah, okay. Start scanning for somewhere on the left to take a break.
What's that?
Nissan Fair Lady. Okay. This is Totnes.
Ah.
Ah.
Do you want to lead to find somewhere good to spot? Because I'm shit at that.
Oh, no, you're not allowed to. I see what you mean. Yeah, I need to take a break. Thought these bikes were supposed to be comfortable.
Oh, they are comfortable. It's the human element that's the weak bit. Ah. When I stopped, the bike decided to stop and then go bang into my doolallies.
We have two choices: Exeter or right.
We're turning right, aren't we? I don't know. Neither have I.
I've never been here before. Exeter, Plymouth, Buckfastleigh. Buckfastleigh, Buckfastleigh, Buckfastleigh. What's in Dartington? Buckfastleigh. What the fuck's that? Nothing.
You know, the pain is like building. It's getting to that point. The pain in my helmet and my body is just getting worse. It's doing my fucking head in. Oh. I'm guessing it doesn't have parking. This train station. How fuck. Fuck. That's all I have to say about the subject. Yeah, you can. It's alright.
Someone inbound. 11 o'clock.
Some people behave differently when they all of a sudden see a bike come up on them.
I know there's a little fishing village in Cornwall. I know a little place there.
Go to Tesco and squeeze some rolls and our jackets.
A bag with rolls inside my jacket. I think I could do that. I'm willing to be very, very brave and do that. But I'd also like to eat out. But let's eat out at least next weekend. I do want. Hey, 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 what is this place? Hey, 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 hey. Isn't that a Morrison's?
This place is called Top Ness. Yeah, there is a Morrison's here.
Can we go into their Morrison's and get burger buns?
We could try it.
No, it's not, actually. Oh, I'm coming to a halt. I am rubbish at this low-speed manoeuvring shit.
Come on! So am I! Fuck! I've never done that with a pole. Fuck! Sorry, that was just like insane. I'm like, the bike was like more powerful than my muscles. It was more powerful than my muscles could cope with. It was like, oh fuck!
Yeah.
Bikes do kick our asses, especially Kawasaki's.
They outbeat us, don't they? Yay! Why does it look so shut?
Yeah, this is where we used to go with Darren till he left us. Oh no! Sunday. Oh! I nearly saw the times for when it's open.
I think it's here, isn't it? Yay! Is that because it is shut? What? But it is shut, yeah? It's not open, is it? Oh, yeah. Like they shut at 5 PM or something.
No, it doesn't, does it?
Doesn't even half look open. Not even like a quarter. It is shut, isn't it? It's so shut, it's unbelievable. Fuck this place. This place sucks. See you later. You weren't even open. How are we supposed to buy anything if you're not open? Oh. Yeah, I agree.
This isn't designed for the road. This is designed for a circuit. This is designed for a racetrack. I'm just like oh god. Where's the rear tyre for Squiffy?
This is quite a nice road, isn't it? On the way back. Oh no, this is a road full of flies and shit. Oh god. I remember this.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, bloody corners. Oh, nice road surface there. I think I'll just calm it down a bit. That looks lovely. Hope it's not a BMW. Is it? Fucking bastards, they make it look like a Benz. It looks lovely.
No! No, 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 no. Look at its shape. It looks like a CLS. Yeah, sir. Private plate.
No, it is a Benz. It's a CLS, you're right.
Hotel. Fucking hell, is that a bug on my fucking helmet or something? Yeah, that's... Oh! There's a fucking bug on my goddamn helmet.
Yeah, but he was going faster a minute ago and now he's going dead slow. Damn bugs. Kill them! Kill them all!
I don't know if it's gone now, I can just feel a little something. Yes, CLS.
Still clear, still clear. Ah, you're right with me, nice one. You just like flicked your throttle back and I hear your bike on the radio and it's just like, I'm coming for you. Come on dude, we just want to go to Tesco. Get away, run now.
Empty car park. Hello guys, that was my dad. My dad is in the video. My dad is in the YouTube stuff. You alright if I put some distance on him? This is not like comfortable distance for me. Better. I'm happy with that. Yeah. What do I want to talk about? I want to talk about. Am I talking about stuff?
Oh, we should watch Star Trek tonight. What should we watch? Hang on, but no. Let's watch a Star Trek tonight.
Alright. This is my Star Trek rant. What?
Haven't we got DVDs we can watch?
You want to open them? You really want to open? You really want to open them? What we've done is, because we love Star Trek and Babylon 5.
What we've done is we've saved up for years to buy the box sets, but we didn't buy them all at once. It took years to build them up. And now we've got every episode of Star Trek ever.
What's happened is, right, we have had to, over the years, put up our money, and we slowly bought all of the DVDs for Star Trek. Now the reason is just because DVD quality is a bit better than what you can download.
You can probably buy it off iTunes, I think. I'm not sure. I don't think you can. I don't know.
But basically, it's just not the same as DVD quality. And don't ask me, it's probably how they burn that data on the disc. Speed camera coming up.
Anyway, let's watch Star Trek tonight. Star Trek and burgers.
My dad had cancer years ago, and I thank the fucking Lord that my dad is alive with me on this earth, because he's the only family I've got, really. Yay! My hero. Don't forget my hero. Hero Miros. With his barking and fetching and being a dog. Gotta love him.
Yay!
But basically, my dad had cancer, and just fuck it, basically. Fuck it! We want all the Star Trek, and we want it to be the best it can, because we love Star Trek!
We've never watched any of it. We should watch some.
We never watched all the episodes of Star Trek, so we're really looking forward to it. And Babylon 5! Babylon 5, guys! Left hand lane.
Alright. No, we were talking about owning every episode of Star Trek, but never watching any of it. And then you went on a rant about Babylon 5. What are you like? It's not.
Yeah. Because it's the same shit, Dad. This is the same shit. It is!
I don't think it is, but it's sci-fi, yeah, but it's not Star Trek, is it?
It is the same shit!
It's not Star Trek though, is it? Babylon 5.
What? Well, no, but it's the closest thing that's ever come to Star Trek. And I think that the story is a bit more like it, but the acting, I don't know, wasn't it? Well, some of the actors were better, some of the actors weren't, and it was kind of, you know, a mix. Star Trek had a budget, and some of the characters that went on Babylon 5, they come from like...
Oh yeah, right. Star Trek had the budget, didn't it?
One woman came from... She played Delenn. She came from before... I think it was just after the Balkans.
Where did she come from? You're educating me now. Oh, you're not going to tell me, are you?
It was just after the whole the Balkan Serbia war.
What? Was she a Vulcan?
No, I'm talking about the Bosnia Serbia war.
On Star Trek? Then? What? The Bosnian War? She was in that? Was she Serbian or the other guys?
She came from
Did she come from that war? Devon. Jeez.
She comes from that region.
Was she?
Yeah, I know. She was fucking brilliant. She was a brilliant actor. I loved her.
She's come from the Yugoslavian war, where atrocities were. No way! I would too!
Where she basically just wanted to leave. She left, and well, I'm pretty sure if she didn't get a part of Babylon 5, she would have been a lot more worse off. Financially, she was actually pretty lucky, and she was a bit depressed and all that sort of shit because of what she saw. Yeah.
No, really? Oh, I didn't know that at all.
I didn't know either until I researched it and went, what? Did it end? Thank you.
So she was depressed about the war she was in, and so she was able to leave and go to America and did what?
On Babylon 5.
Oh, you don't just turn up and go, hello, I'm doing Babylon 5, my name is Dylan. I am a whatever.
Basically, right? Wait. We love Star Trek and we love Babylon 5.
Means we didn't finish the story about Dylan and how she came from the Bosnia-Herzegovina or whatever it was, and she came from the Yugoslavian war.
Guys have a go at me because you're not right about that bit. It's what my research told me, and I'm trying to translate it to you people, because I can't describe it perfectly, can I?
I didn't know any of that. It's all news to me, the whole lot. Yeah, you're recounting a story of, I can't believe she'd have an AK-47.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Committing war crimes and stuff. Did she lose her family in the war and all that? Did she? What? She lost her family? In the war?
Yeah, so basically she came from that, and the whole... No, I don't know, I can't remember.
In the downhill, look, it rolls downhill. I'm gonna have to go over here. What? She was in a war, and then they recruited her, and she was like a spy for the Serbs or something, yeah?
No. So yeah, basically, that's how Dylan, I've forgotten her name, the actor, but yeah, that's how she came into Babylon 5. And, we're gonna get stuff now. Just catch them. Gotta fit. What if I took a roll? Would that help? Holy fucking shit. That is awesome. My dad has just managed to get a bag of Tesco food in his jacket. Now that is European improvising. That's fucking awesome. Sorry guys, but that's how we Europeans roll. Okay. Was that the bike just stalled on me? It was, wasn't it?
Nope. No. The problem with modern bikes is there's no stealth mode. Now, on an older motorcycle, you could turn your lights off and then just like disappear, but with a modern bike, you've got to turn the engine off to disappear, and sometimes you need it.
Fucking hell. I'm sorry, this bike is designed for the fucking racetrack.
And stealth mode.
Yeah, this bike is designed for the racetrack, it really is.
I like that earlier. If you've got urges. Oh, no. She just smelt really good. I don't even know what she looked like, but damn it. When you chuck 100 quid's worth of perfume on you, you know that woman that was stood next to us when we were getting the burgers? That's what a skank smells like. You know, just put 15 quid perfume on her and it's like, ugh. But, you know, a woman that wears 100 quid worth of perfume, you'd hope she'd be driving a Mercedes Benz and, for some reason I just can't fucking go around corners this evening. I don't understand. Neither can I. Hey, what's down here? A bridge? What would my son possibly do under that? Bridge.
Whoa, whoa, tight corner, tight corner, tight corner, tight corner. Ah! Oh yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, hey, stop, 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 ceasefire, stop, stop your boat, stop your motorcycle.
Stop, stop. As in actually stop, stop.
What have they got in there? That looks nice.
I'm moving in, I'm moving in, moving in, moving in. That's clutch control.
Just saying, do you see what's in here? That's the Evo! Don't worry! Give it another 2 or 3 months, I come back for you. Fuck shit. Oh no. We're not gonna have to go through the tunnel again, are we?
This time, your bike's first.
I'm not having any part of it. You go overhead. I'm not getting involved. That's him doing all that, not me. Thank you very much. I was going to get a little beeper. I do this all the time. I indicate and then I fail to cancel.
Oh yeah! Yeah, but you gotta have some fun. If you don't, you go fucking stir crazy. Bikes are so much fun!
You stay where you are. You fucker! Fuck you! Unfucking believable. Well, it's not unbelievable, but you know.
Hey mate, that's like fuck.
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.